Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by converting the spreadsheet into the only accepted import format, a clean CSV. Open the workbook, remove formulas, blanks, and odd characters. Keep columns like first name, last name, email, phone. Once done, choose Save As and pick CSV, delimited. Make sure headers are consistent and spelled clearly because Google maps by header. Finally, confirm UTF-8, encoding so international characters import correctly. This prevents broken, now import and map fields inside Google Contacts. Go to Contacts. Google. Sign into the target account and click Import. Select your CSV file and proceed. Google will show field mapping suggestions. Review each mapping and change any mismatches, for example, map mobile to phone and company to organization. If a header doesn't match, assign it manually so data lands in the right field. When everything matches, confirm and run the import to create contacts. Finish by verifying the results and cleaning up duplicates. Open your contact list and spot check emails, phone numbers, and company fields. If you see missing data, undo the import immediately, then fix the CSV headers, resave with UTF-8 encoding, and reformat problematic phone numbers. Once corrected, import again. A key troubleshooting tip: use Merge and Fix in Google Contacts to resolve duplicates. If things go wrong, undo the import or restore a previous backup to avoid permanent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.